All right, so I mean, this literally took 3 seconds from before the time of me hitting the button here. What I was trying to do was trying to show this live. So I dumped in a little bit of information. I don't know, like 3 paragraphs worth of information on operating a small scale decentralized AI training framework with technical details and such. Actually, core architecture technical details. I was kind of writing it as I was editing it a little bit. And so I asked for a 1 page on operating the software. And it says, here's a 1 page overview of operating a small scale decentralized AI training framework as I requested for the specific model. In this case, it was a Llama, Meta Llama AI model. So a lot of good information here. This looks great, and I'm really happy with what it made based on what I wrote. But I was not finished adding some details. So what I'm going to try to do is see if I can add. Um, let's see here. I wonder if I just dump this in. How could I do this? Let me see. Data and processes. I'll just dump in huge, relatively huge info and see what it does. Um, really big info. So let's see. Right, the system. Okay, so I'm gonna say this is the program. Add in what is relevant, and you can expand to a second page as needed. Okay, so I just see. Okay, it's like pasting it in, I think. Wow. Okay, so it just did, and it did like some pre-processing apparently. So I just dumped in like tons of information. Operating a small scale. Okay, let's integrate the provided code snippets into the framework document. Expand it with new details. I don't really know what it's gonna do exactly with for what I'm asking. I'm kind of just doing brushstrokes, putting my arm out, and doing big brushstrokes. And then I could refine it and that's kind of the point, right? Because if I knew what I was writing, I would need AI, right? So I want to, I know what I want to write of some essence here and there. The expanded version provides a comprehensive guide. So what happened here? So now we have information on the project. Okay, but it put the code in. That's not really what I wanted. Okay, so I'm gonna ask it to edit it now. Okay, I don't need any code snippets unless they are vital to explaining. So um explaining the whole system, but I'll put in parentheses running the system that section is fine as is because the reader would need to know all of the information that you provided. You may now reorganize and revise the document as needed with no length limit. So now I kind of opened it up. I started from a 1 page. I'm going to go ahead and just push that out. So, what I seem to be noticing is like it just happens really fast. And I'm using Gemini 2.0 Flash, and that's why it happens really fast because Flash is very fast, but it's really good generally. So, let's see what's going on here. So right now I can't really do anything. Okay, so it like kind of it's like working and like I can't like review the document and stuff right now. So that's an interesting aspect of this. It's doing its thing and then okay, so like now it's okay, so now it gave me what am I looking at? I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, so I can't really tell what I'm looking at. It's not in pages, so I'm not super enthusiastic about this. Change length, change tone, suggests edits. So those are the things. Now I'm doing a little bit of an overview here. The title, it's cloud saves. It saves your changes. Export to docs. Very cool. Copy and share this. And you could talk to the AI right here. Canvas is active. That's pretty much what I really wanted to show of me actually doing something. You could see that it revised it and it looks really nice. So I'll go ahead and review and see what I want to do with this. So that's Gemini Canvas live editing.